everyone, I'm Shelly. Welcome to our perspective. Hello everyone, so welcome to
Our
perspective. Okay, so today I have a new guest from
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Yes.
So hi everyone, my name is Justin. I'm from Vietnam. Right now I study at Ntust, Taiwan Tech, and my major is mechanical engineering.
So, what do you think about your major?
One was
What?
really hard, difficult.
Why?
Like for mechanical engineering, not only mechanical engineering, like every engineering in general. Like I think it's really difficult to study. Like for example, like chemical or material, you need to study a lot. That's like how engineering students do.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
I agree. So, from the scale 0 to 10,
Mhm.
how difficult is your major?
I think 7 out of 10.
7
Yeah,
or
it's
10?
difficult, but like not really difficult for me. Yeah.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a...
So, do you get a free time in general?
Like yeah, I do have some free time. Like I still hanging out with my friend in the weekend, but like in the weekdays, like you need to study, like especially for the test, like when the midterm or like final sem is coming, right?
So, like you study from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m.?
No,
Are
I
you?
think I'm just kind of
lazy time.
I just study when the exam is coming. Maybe like
Uh-huh.
it depends on the subject. Like if the course is too hard, maybe I will spend more time like 2 weeks before the final exam.
Or,
But like if it's easier, maybe like 5 days maximum like, before the exam.
oh my
Decent,
god,
right?
yeah. Best and worst experience, like when you learn mechanical engineering.
My best experience.
Yeah.
Funny.
Funny
Okay, let me think.
And a half hours later.
experience.
Okay, my worst experience. I think like every student they get this kind of experience. Like when you
Uh-huh.
get the best score,
Uh-huh.
but like you spend too much time to study that. Like for example, one of the course I took last semester, like I studied for like because it's really hard.
Uh-huh.
So like I spent like with 2 weeks before the exam, and like I study like every night.
Uh-huh.
Not like really into that. Like I only spend like 3 or 4 hours a day, and like but like the result doesn't make me feel good. Make a lot of mistake.
Uh-huh.
Like to solve the problem, you have a lot of steps. But like when the professor they grade the score, they just look at the final result, and if you get wrong, okay, that he don't care about like even you do correctly like in other steps.
Really?
So like, I get a really bad score for that one. That my worst experience because like I was expecting to have like at least average score.
So is it real that even though you have a small mistake in the step,
Mhm.
so you got 0 points?
Yeah, it depends on the teacher.
It depends.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I can relate about engineering. I know
Oh.
it's really hard. We need to study very hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I hope that we can get something good in our future. Okay.
Mhm.
So, about your best experience?
My best experience, I think like there are a lot of best experience. Like for example, like I still remember like in our first year, like we study in a group, we study together, like we have each other, like that's how the like like, like maybe like when we study physics, as I remember, like okay, you don't know about this, I teach you, you teach me, like we learn from each other. Because like back in my high school year, I just study by myself most of the time, and like now when we study together, like it's easier for like every one of us.
Wow.
Like we have a lot of best experience, but like that's one of them.
Wow, so amazing. About your major.
For my major, mechanical engineering. So like my major has a lot of opportunity in the future. Like I have some interview, like some interview invitation, and like most of the job for engineering in Taiwan relate to either electronic or like mechanical. Because like in Taiwan they're really good at like manufacturing products. Mostly like semiconductor. I think you'll know about that.
Yes.
So my perspective about my major is like, yes, like it's easy, not easy, but like it should be easy to find a job in Thailand.
What do they need to prepare before they go to mechanical engineering?
To prepare, like, yes, about engineering in general, like you should be good at like math, calculus, physics, like mostly physics back in your high school. So like you need to have like good general knowledge about that subject.
Okay.
That's for science.
Okay. Thank you, Justin.
You're welcome.
Okay, do it. Yeah. So let's introduce yourself first.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Ntust from Myanmar. Now I'm studying in Ntust. I'm a master student from Department of Electronic and Computer Engineering.
What do you think about your major?
So interesting. If you like coding. Do you like coding?
No.
Okay,
I have no idea about coding. Like, okay, I'm totally lost about coding. So how about if we scale from 0 to 10? How difficult is your major?
8.
Huh? Really?
Yeah.
I thought 10.
Oh, I think it will depend on the people. So if you like coding, yeah, it's not that difficult. It's easy. But if
Really?
you don't like, then maybe 11 or 12.
Electronic and computer engineering. What
Yeah.
is your best and worst experience?
Okay, so my worst experience is like when I was bachelor student, like we got one project funded by our department. So like we have to work on that project like for 1 month, and after 1 month, like within that 1 month, like we don't even sleep that much. Like we work until like 3 a.m. and wake up at like 6 or 9, like that.
Stop it. Get some help.
But after that 1 month, we finish it. But there's a lot of error. So at the time, we don't have like that much experience. So we did a lot of mistake. So we have to solve that, and it takes like 3 months. I can't even sleep well.
Wow.
That's my worst experience. If they call me, I have to go to school right now and solve that one. Like it takes me like the whole week. Or yeah. So if I hear the phone window, I realize the project isn't finished, and I have to solve it. Like it takes like 1 week. Like sometimes we have to start it again, like that. Yeah.
But at least you get something right from your worst experience. Like you can
Yeah.
learn something meaningful, I think.
Yeah, we got a lot of really great experience from that one.
Wow,
Yeah.
cool. Okay, how about your best experience?
My best experience?
Huh?
I got a
A lot of
girlfriend.
girls. So many girls in the department, right? Is it?
Not so many, but at least I got one.
Best experience in your department.
My first experience,
Mm-hmm.
like mostly I like working on the project, so like that may be the same. Like working on my project is my best experience, but at the same time it's also worst experience.
So there is no best experience at all. Like, if you call it best, it also has worst experience inside your best experience.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes, kind of.
Okay.
Hello guys, my name is Fendi. I'm from Indonesia and my major is civil and construction engineering.
What do you think about your major?
In civil and construction engineering, you don't need to have skills in drawing, but if you like to draw and then you like to build something, you like to make something out of cement and sand, I think it's a very good major for you.
How about the subject?
The subject is, I don't think it's very hard lah, but the subject is like more like physics, and then in the material class we also have like a little bit chemistry, but not very much. In several subjects we have a lot of formulas, but the formula is given by professor, so we don't have to memorize all the formulas. So that's why I don't think that's very hard. I think it's as long as you can think logically, I think it's very easy.
Very easy. So scale from 0 to 10, how difficult is civil and construction engineering?
I think for me it's 5 lah, not very hard.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
Yeah, that's hard, but I think if you study, yeah, you can do it.
Wow, 5.
Yeah, if it's 10, then it means like I already failed a lot of subjects.
You guys can consider to go to
Yeah.
civil and construction engineering then.
That's it.
Okay, how about your best and worst experience when you study civil and construction engineering?
I think the best experience is I go to the lab and then we like play with the cement and the mortar and the concrete. We also learn how to make soil and then something like that. And the other thing I like about the civil and construction is the teacher assigned us to a lot of field trips. So here in Taiwan I can I went to Keelung with my classmates and the professor. Yeah, I think that's very fun. And then the good thing from the civil and construction engineering is all of the professor is very kind to you, especially if you are a foreigner. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh guys, you guys can consider to take civil and construction engineering.
Of course.
Okay?
And then my worst experience is there's one time when I already do the assignments that the teacher gave me assignments. I already did it. So in Ntust, some of the professor asked us to like upload it to the system if we are done with our homework. But after I do it, I thought like, okay, I already do it. I just need to submit when I go to class, and then I already forget that. And then like 1 week after that, I open up the Moodle system and then I saw you haven't submit the. I haven't submitted the
Assignment.
and then oh shit, what do I need to do, right? And then I text the teaching assistant and then I said that I forgot to submit, and then he said that okay, it's okay, but maybe I gonna cut some point of from your point lah, and then yeah, that's the what did I say? Like the teacher is very kind to us. Like
What is your perspective about civil and construction engineering?
all of the engineering are hard. I think if you really want to study and you really want to achieve the degree, I think you can achieve it. If you study, you can do it like that. And for me, civil and construction engineering is like if you like to build something, if you like your environment and you like to build roads, to build bridges, to build skyscrapers. I think civil engineering is a good major for you guys. We don't deal with chemistry so much. The most important thing is your logical thinking and some basics of physics. I think it's very.
What do they need to prepare before they go to civil and construction engineering?
You need to prepare because first time I got to the university, I get to uni. All of my grades are bad.
Oh, really? But
Yeah. And after that, okay, it's getting the graphics like this. This is your high school. Drop, and then you will go back.
as long as you try your best.
Yeah, as long as you try your best.
Hi, my name is Jessica Angelina and my major is chemical engineering in Ntust and I'm from Indonesia.
What do you think about chemical engineering?
What I think about chemical engineers is I think it's a really hard major to study.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, oh my god, yeah, you know that.
What else?
But I think it's a good major to study. But it's really hard.
Like we can learn.
Yeah, you can learn a lot in chemical engineering.
So scale from 0 to 10. How difficult is chemical engineering?
0 to 10?
Yeah.
11?
11. Yeah. 11. Why 11?
Because I don't know, I just feel chemical engineer is really hard because you're not only learning about chemistry but you also learning calculus and then physics and then you combine it together and then surprise it's chemical engineer.
Best and worst experience about chemical engineering?
Best experience, maybe what I can remember is in my first year.
Yeah.
Because we usually have field trip together with our classmates, and I think it's a really fun and great experience to do in Ntust. But my worst experience is actually quite a lot. Like we don't have enough sleep. We have to study all the time, and then we have a lot of exams, homework, assignments. I need to drink coffee every day, guys.
What is your perspective about chemical engineering?
My perspective about chemical engineering, I think, like I told you before, it's a really hard major, I think, but it's also a great major to study because it's easier for you to find a job, I think. Yeah. And then, what do you think? You also take chemical engineers, right?
It's hard. Like we lack of sleep, and then we need to sacrifice our time to study.
But
That's
I
all.
think if you like to study, or you like chemistry and math and calculus and everything, I think you will like this major. Prepare your. You have to work really hard, like study really hard, or not, you will get okay score.
Okay, score.
Average score, maybe if you're smart, then you can do it.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.